Automatic transmissions are complex. They have many moving parts. These parts work together smoothly to shift gears. This gives you a comfortable ride. Like any part of your car, transmissions need care. Regular maintenance keeps them working properly. Ignoring maintenance can lead to costly repairs. It can even lead to a complete transmission failure. Taking care of your automatic transmission is an investment. It saves you money in the long run, and it keeps your car running smoothly for miles to come. Transmission fluid is essential for your automatic transmission. It lubricates the moving parts. It also helps to cool the transmission and prevents wear and tear. Checking your transmission fluid regularly is crucial. Low fluid levels can cause major problems. These include slipping gears, rough shifting, and overheating. To check the fluid, park your car on a level surface. With the engine running, locate the transmission fluid dipstick. Pull it out, wipe it clean, and reinsert it. Pull it out again, and check the fluid level. It should be between the full and add marks. Regular servicing is essential for your automatic transmission. This includes changing the transmission fluid and filter. It also includes inspecting for any potential problems. Consult your owner's manual for the recommended service intervals. These intervals may vary depending on your car model. They also vary based on your driving conditions. When getting your transmission serviced, choose a reputable mechanic. Ask for recommendations from friends or family. Look for a mechanic who specializes in transmissions. Your driving habits can also impact the health of your transmission. Avoid sudden acceleration and hard braking. These put unnecessary stress on the transmission. When shifting between gears, come to a complete stop before shifting. This ensures that the transmission engages properly. Avoid shifting into park or reverse while the car is still moving. By practicing good driving habits, you can extend the life of your transmission. You'll also enjoy a smoother and more enjoyable driving experience.